In this example, we will write a MATLAB function that will check if a certain year is a leap year or not. As we know in Gregorian calendar, if a year is a multiple of 4, it's usually a leap year. Except that if the year is multiple of 100, it is not a leap year. But still, if it is a multiple of 400, it is a leap year. So, for example, year 2000, because it is a multiple of 400, it is always a leap year. And now, in MATLAB, if we want to check if a certain number is a multiple of another number, there are two functions. And the first one is modulus, MOD, and it will do the division, and then the remainder of the division will show up. So, for example, MOD 10 and 4, we will get 2. The other function is remainder, REM, and 10 and 4, we get the same answer. They are a little different, but for our purpose, that both numbers are positive, they are equivalent, and we don't have to worry about it. Let's start writing the function called leap. So this time let's do a new function. MATLAB will automatically populate some of the formats, and it declares the function. Output arguments, we just need one, and that's whether if it is leap or not. So let's just call out, and if we just have single output, then we don't need the brackets. The name of the function, let's call it leap, and we have only one input argument, so let's call it, say, y. Now this is a function that will function to check if a year is a leap year in Gregorian calendar. The input y is the year. The output out is going to be 1 if leap year, and 0 otherwise. Now in the function, we will need an if statement where MOD, you can do REM here too, MOD of y and 400. If it is equal to 0, it is always a leap year, so out should be 1. Else if MOD, so it's not a multiple of 400, but if it is a multiple of 100, it is not a leap year. So we will say out is 0. Else if MOD, it's not a multiple of 400 nor a multiple of 100, but if it is a multiple of 4, then it is a leap year. Out is 1. Now if none of these things are true, then it's not divided by 4. So the out should be 0, saying it's not a leap year. And now that will finish the if structure, and let's save it and test the function. Leap of, say, 2000, it is a multiple of 400, so it is a leap year. Leap of 2100, it is not a multiple of 400, but it is a multiple of 100, so it must not be a leap year. How about year 2013? Now this is not a multiple of 4, so it is not a leap year. However, last year is a leap year, so the function works as we want it.